Day 13 of 30 Days, 30 Habits. Today's habit looks physical, but it affects your mind and your soul. A cluttered desk creates a cluttered mind, and a clear space builds a clear life. 1. Your focus improves. When your desk is clean, your mind isn't distracted by chaos. 2. Your stress reduces. Mess around you creates noise inside you. Order creates peace. 3. Cleanliness is part of faith. In Islam, cleanliness is not just physical, it's spiritual. When your space is clean, your heart feels lighter too. 4. It builds discipline. You're not cleaning for perfection, you're cleaning for clarity. And clarity changes everything. Today, I sat in front of my desk and realized how messy it was. Old notes, random things, distractions everywhere. So I started removing things, one by one. And as the desk cleared, something inside me did too. It didn't just look better, it felt better. Here's how you organize your desk properly. Remove everything first. Put back only what you actually use. Throw away what you don't need. Keep it simple, clean, minimal. Not everything deserves a place, only what adds value. If you're doing this challenge with me, comment Day 13 Done below. And if you're new here, we upload a new habit every day for 30 days. Subscribe to Habit Harbor so you don't miss Day 14 tomorrow.